In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom animations to text in Google Vids. First things first, head over to Google Vids. This platform is a part of Google's suite of productivity tools, allowing users to create, edit, and share videos directly from their browser. It's an excellent tool for creating engaging content with minimal effort thanks to its user-friendly interface and robust set of features. Once you're at the Google Vids page, you'll need to sign in to access its features. Click on the Sign In button located, typically, at the top right corner of the page. This action will prompt a new window or tab to open, asking you to choose a Google account to proceed with. It's likely you have more than one Google account, so make sure to select the one that you want to use for creating or editing your video on Google Vids. This seamless integration with Google accounts ensures that you can easily access and manage your creations across Google's ecosystem. After successfully signing in, it's time to dive into the creative part. Navigate to the video you wish to edit by selecting it from your library or begin a new project. To add text to your video, you usually have options along the toolbar within the editing interface of Google Vids. The exact location might vary, but look for the text icon or an option labeled text. Having placed your text on the video, you might notice it looks a bit static. This is where the fun begins. Adding animations to make your text come alive. Look for the animation button. It typically appears above or below the text when you select it. This button is your gateway to making the textual content more dynamic and engaging. The presence of this button indicates the ability to animate the text, providing a range of options to bring motion to your words. Clicking on the animation button reveals a variety of animations. From this selection, choose the animation that best suits the mood or style of your video. Each animation style has its unique flair and can significantly impact how your message is received. Whether you're aiming for a subtle effect to highlight key points or a more elaborate animation to captivate your audience, there's likely something to fit your needs. Now, you might be asking yourself, which animation should I choose? Consider the context of your text and the overall tone of your video. A fast-paced animation could be perfect for an upbeat promo video, whereas a slow fade might be better suited for a more formal presentation. Experiment with different animations to see which one complements your content the best. Remember, the key to effective video editing is to keep your audience engaged without overwhelming them. Subtlety is often your friend when it comes to animations. Also, be sure to preview your animation before finalizing your video. This step ensures that the timing and appearance of the animation align with your vision and the video's flow. Once you're satisfied with the animation you've chosen, it's simply a matter of saving your changes and your video is ready to go. Google Vids automatically saves your work as you edit, but it never hurts to do a manual save, especially after making significant changes like adding animations. In conclusion, adding custom animations to text in Google Vids is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance the visual appeal and engagement level of your videos. By following these steps, you'll be able to infuse your textual content with life, making your videos more dynamic and captivating for your audience. Remember to experiment with different animations, keep your video's tone in mind, and most importantly, have fun with the creative process. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial, and happy editing.